and I can't get you off my mind.
Had one job.
Every drop that falls, I'm thinking about the times we had.
Na to.
Rewind.
Last night.
Should I hit you up, or is it too late for that? Wonder if you pick up
Hands pa yan.
or leave me hanging back.
I've been awake for like
I know it's late, but I'm still feeling you. Can we talk for a minute? What do you wanna do? The rain keeps falling, but I'm stuck in my head. Should I call you now or wait instead? It's
Hi everyone! It's currently time check, 7:10. Anong date na ngayon? Macy's.
Yung omo na tayo.
We'll be vlogging this last 3 weeks final season.
Sana buhay pa kami nun, guys.
Post Cebu!
Tignan mo, grabe yung kapal ng makeup ko sa Cebu. Ngayon, bare face, kailangan na huminga ng mukha.
Mga bags ko, guys.
Cute ni girl.
Antok pa kami.
Oh my gosh! Yes! Alex, do it! I'm the trash. In this school, yeah. Hold on. Responsible posting check.
Final season. It calls for fuel. And I bought, it's gonna be my fuel for the next 3 weeks. Para hindi na ako gumastos ng kape sa labas.
Oh my gosh, guys.
I slept for like 4 hours. And I need to study. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, medyo kinakabahan na ako sa buhay ko ngayon kasi it's currently 4:04 p.m. Kaka-lunch ko lang. Late lunch. Sabi ko 5 minutes, hindi pala siya naka-on yung timer ko. So kung tapusin sana yung thyroid kahapon, pero super antok na ako. Hindi ko alam anong game plan ko for this finals. Currently, wala pa akong progress since galing ako sa Cebu. Pero okay lang. Nagpahinga ako. Natulog ako. This is para mag-function ulit yung brain ko. Mga topics for DDM pa lang yun. Ano na yung topics? Okay, I'm thinking ahead. I just need to focus na. Kaya ko to. Kailangan pa namin mag-revise ng paper and final pitch namin next week for our entrep. At wala pa ako nagpagawa. Okay lang yan. Nag-enjoy ako guys sa Cebu. So, hello guys, welcome back. It's Thursday. On the way to school. Naka-cafe sana ako kahapon, pero guess what? Natulog lang din ako kahapon. Kailangan kong mag-aral guys. We have like less than 2 weeks na lang. So,
Yeah, ano yan? Kalahati naman. Sa review center, hindi yan.
Ilang oras po? How long?
So malamang dito ka.
first time magka-exposure ulit sa vlog ko. So, dito kami ngayon sa BFC. Magla-lock-in kami. Bubunot sila ng pangalan namin, ni Nian. Kami yung magka-partner. Ngayon, isa lang sa amin ang magiging ka-partner ni ate kasi by trio. Magpe-present na yung kanan. Sabi ko na. Sino yan? Hala! May present ako! May present siya. Gusto ko yung ginagawa ko sa sample.
Ulitin ko lang or experience nag-add na at identify na both. Ito naman, yung kasi may pagpatak-patak na naman.
left. I don't know how to grind everything like in 2 weeks. Hi everyone, so I don't know what is happening to me right now. I'm so stressed because while I'm reading, I'm also thinking of the deadlines that I need to do the active. Kaya ko bang isuksok lahat in 1 week? Look at these pimples, guys. These are all stress, hormones, and everything. Say hi to the vlog. My study buddy for tonight. May pa-flower din naman nakaka-picture. Tayong tatlo.
What the dog doing?
So next we have basic house. Hi guys, so we're here sa BK. Guys, hindi ko alam kung paano napilit ako ni Crystal na lumabas. Tamad akong lumabas. Nandiyan na siya. Grabe, hindi ko talaga inaakala na na-push ako ni Crystal paalis. Okay, bye na. Pauwi na kami. Lock in kami. Hindi ko siya kinausap. It's a good study session. Hi guys. So
This is May 12, 16 days before vacation. Yes. Kagulo pa kami.
parang wala pa kaming katapusan.
Yes, it's a full day today.
Pack up na siya. Kaya lang daw siya na kompleto.
Hindi ko kayang wala ka.
Hi guys, live update. Live update sa Taki.
Ito, sobrang kabado. Ipag-pray niyo ako, guys.
Ako ay kabado na excited kasi matatapos na.
Oo. Pray niyo.
Sabi niya, yun ang next meeting. Eh, ang ina-assume ko lang ay Tuesday.
Huwag mo ako niyayakap-yakap na, Jen.
Diyan na, diyan na.
Mukbang! Pa-vlog ka? Give and take pala tayo.
Hi guys! So, bye-bye Kiana for my group.
Ay, hindi pala ito amin.
That's not ours. This is ours.
Ako din, sasali din ako.
Tingnan niyo naman yung aming nail polish.
Ganda.
Mas
maganda yung
Hindi.
Mas maganda.
Spaghetti.
Boys, just spaghetti.
Cute. Bring it on.
My spaghetti has sauce made with freshly picked tomatoes from the high mountains of Italy. What about yours?
Wina!
Ay, oo.
So guys, kung pipili kayo dito, syempre yung sa amin. At mas maganda to, maganda din ang gumawa.
Hindi, mas maganda to guys.
Hindi, mas mas maganda yung sa amin. Mas maganda yung simple. Vintage, classic, and you know, very timeless.
My
This one.
What is this commotion?
Buy one thing.
I'm so sleepy. And Crystal is having a quiz. But I have no choice. I need to stay awake for today. I need to list down what I need to do. I need coffee because I need to finish our PowerPoint. Gising. It's matcha espresso. Guess what, guys? I have my morning coffee. We're so colorful. We are the Powerpuff Girls.
Girls, I'm blue.
Ulit, take two. So we are the
Bubble. I see it.
we are the Powerpuff Girls.
I'm Blossom. I'm Bubbles.
Add one job. We are the Powerpuff Girls.
I'm Bubble.
I'm and I'm Blossom. Tan 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 tan. Sino si Mojo Jojo?
Oh, na.
Hello guys. Hello. Hi guys. Anong tawag? Spongy overnight, guys.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Mama Manalo.
Mommy Manalo.
Mommy Manalo.
While patients are receiving the
Hi guys.
Done na kami, guys. Tapos na kami, vlog takeover mo. Ano ba? Ba't ayaw tumayo? Nag-aaral po si Janine. Ayan po yung dapat niyang tularan. Hindi po ito. Anong masasabi mong sa CR ang room mo kung kasama ka sa Cebu? Grabe, feel ko.
Feeling ko masaya ko nandun si Gabini. Siya talaga yung pupunta
Siya yung
natin.
pagdariyahin talaga.
Feeling ko.
Hindi ako doon nagkaroon.
Oh, grabe guys.
Sino pinaka nag-panic sa ating tatlo?
Ba't naman nangyari?
Guys, nakita nyo yung pagka-childish. Childishness. Grabe, tignan yung ugali, oh. Ugali, oh. Ni Fruitas. Ay, so puta! Napagsaka na eh. Ang sama ng ugali. So guys, ayan po siguro. Na-order po ako para may exposure lang ako sa vlog niya. Kasi nung Cebu vlog niya, which is to be uploaded, wala akong exposure. I think ice caramel macchiato or sige, icy salt latte na lang. Bye-bye guys! Sinong nag-sea-salt?
Hard bound by the end of the month, please. Ever!
Last na to.
This is the last, guys.
Hold up! No, you didn't, Papa!
Sa ulo ko to.
I actually don't know how this final vlog is going to turn out. It's currently 9:13 p.m. It's a Saturday. I wanna grind, but I cannot. I'm so sleepy. Huh. Kaya to. Ipiti, te.
Ito.
Anong babasahin ko?
Medyo. Nasa sa medyo.
Ikaw?
Oh.
Live update. It's currently 7:26 and it's a Sunday. Sisimba kami around 11 days before vacation. Puro finals na lang yung natitira. Last 2 weeks, guys. Guys, kaya natin to, guys. Nagawa muna ako ng presentation. I'm reading question. Oh my goodness. Nakagising ko. So, it's already 12:30 to anood ko ng YouTube. So, I'm gonna grind now kasi with my lucky day. Nakakaloka pag mag-isang nag-aaral, guys. Good morning, guys. Bukas ako maaga para review ng fartok na hindi ko natapos kagabi. Hindi ko siya matapos with the mix of fartok. Looking for new crush. Comment down below, guys, kung sino recommend nyo sa kanya. Pero, yun, first coffee of the day. What?
Okay, now let's move on to dental floss. In areas between the teeth. Okay, magkulo.
Hi, guys! Time check! Time check. Yeah.
10:01.
I just got home. I'm still doing my flashcards. I'm gonna do an active recall na lang. So, good morning, everyone. Don't judge kung bakit nakatali pa. I'm gonna truly lock in. Tomorrow, it's the big day for DTM. Oh my gosh, ganda na pala yung tsura ko. Kalahati na ako ng contraceptives. Parang nagigets ko na siya. Pero, I need a change of environment. Aalis muna ako dito. I'm gonna transfer here muna sa bed. Still, the candle is on. Everyone! Hello! It's officially D-Day. And dito lang ako sa drive-thru ng Macdo kasi bumili ako ng breakfast. Kasi medyo... inumin ko siya. Hi, ate!
Hi! Last
Kain.
DDM exam.
Yes!
Natulog ka?
Yes! 9 o'clock palang tulog na ako. Tapos nagising ako kanina mga 5. Hindi ako nagpupuyat pag nag-aaral. Ano kang tulog? 4? Gising ako 5. Isang oras lang tulog mo? Marami ng laman yan, te. I love alaking. Kahapon alaking na din yung dinner ko. Papa, kung nanonood ka, I'm so sorry. Love you pa. Ang aking weapon for today. First is this ribbon. White flower. Para pag medyo naliyo na ako, kailangan lang. Ganun. Tapos, will bring my sense back. Then, myself and the last tiny bit knowledge that I have. You may ask, how did I prepare for this exam? I wasn't able to prepare well. Nung masyado nakapag-prep for this exam, hindi katulad ng ibang exams, like nung daang exams, like mas lalo na ng midterms. Every midterms, nag-grind talaga ako. Like, after ng prelims, ma-realize ko yung mga mali ko sa buhay. Kaya bigla na ako magbabasa ng advance, like 1 month before the exam. It worked. Last sem, this sem's kind of like, it is what it is. Masyadong mabilis din kasi 1 month lang after ng midterms, talagang karibumbum na everyday. So, wala akong masyadong time. Nag-grasp ko lahat, each. Pero hindi siya yung parang na pangalawang pasada ko. Is us before DDM exam.
I feel like I'm gonna perfect the exam. Pag hindi ako pumasa, i-cut mo yung mga ganyan kong statements.
Guys, it's gonna be us after all trades.
Alam mo, Padre Pio ni Papa Santos na pray, hope, and don't worry. Kaya yun lang talaga ginawa ko. Nag-pray, nag-hope, at hindi nag-alala.
This is us after... Nasa si Ate Kirsten.
Sa Saturday ako.
Grabe guys, para akong isang malaking kindergarten na nag-exam lang first year college. Crystallizing ng ice.
Hi everyone! So welcome back to my vlog and it's currently 12:34. Ngayon nandito kami sa Tutti Frutti. Nagkakasulan na. Hi guys! I just got home and this is my first coffee of the day. Because I need to stay awake. It's okay.
Hi! Good luck sa inyo, ha? Love you all! Mwah!
Sakit na try ko. Gusto ko nang matapos na humiga na. I look so pale. I look so akong dugo. Mas chubby ako ngayon kasi mas bata lang ako tignan for my age. We're almost done. You're almost done. You're almost done with your freshman year. I'm gonna be senior year na next year. We took up our courses, very hard courses in the Philippines. She's in the corporate world and I'm in the medical world. And our brain is saturated. Guys, I've reached my peak. I've covered all the topics. I'm gonna do practice questions na lang later. Ayoko na. Sana ng ulo ko.
Nagdadasal yung mga tao, tayo.
This is us before!
This is us before we become dog survivors.
After DDM. This is us after DDM. Ay, after Partox exam.
After everything.
After everything. Grabe guys, yung timing ng aking pagpunta sa SM. Ang daming tao dito sa SM. Lahat ng kainan puno. Gusto ko sana mag-ramen kuroda. Parang gusto ko ng full meal na rice. So, pumunta ko sa Bonchon and as usual, super puno pa rin siya. And super gutom na rin ako. So, I was like, sige, deserve ko. Nandito ako ngayon sa pepper lunch. Ordered curry chicken pepper rice. Isa na lang yung exam namin next week. And today, di mo na ako mag-aaral talaga kasi super grabe yung naging hard grind ko for the past days. Yes, this is a live update after the finals. Pero meron pa kaming isang subject text week. May mga pending pa rin naman akong mga requirements. Gonna arrange things kasi super sinantabi ko lahat for the exams. I got my... Walang tambayan. Gusto ko sana mag-edit ng rough cut for my vlogs. Pero super daming tao sa SM. Tapos wala pang tambayan. Walang upuan. Walang matcha sa Coty Coffee. Tinignan ko sa app nila. Pick up na lang. Pero walang upuan sa pick up. So ngayon, manonood muna ako ng K-drama. Episode 3! Oh my gosh! Ano yun? Oh my gosh. Ay, hindi ko na kaya to guys. Yung kita pa yung grades ko. Ang init. So, bumili ako ng Maribank na. Ay.
Saan yan? Pwede gamitin.
Ewan.
Paano ka magkakasundo?
Ewan.
Card lang yung binili mo.
Oo. Orange. Shikmi kami guys. Kakain kami ng lunch.
First reaction.
Akala ko kung ano yung naririnig kong nagdadagas. Pala nag-iipod siya. So what guys, it's a rest day and lalabas muna ako kasi I need to buy glue para magawa ko yung magazine namin. I still have one finals left sa Thursday pa, so I think I'm gonna study na lang tomorrow and Wednesday. Ngayon kasi naglaba ako, naglinis ako, nagtiklop ako and everything, so yeah. Thank you po. Gulat ako. Bigla tumawag yung Wadwani. Akala ko scam, pero alam niyo yung name ko. And, what is this for? I was like, ganon. Ang gulat ako, akala ko scammer. Pero she sounds professional. And paper mache ako. And tumagos yung glue sa nung nakaganto. Tumagos siya. So, dapat pala, ever since, nag-glue na lang ako. Hindi ko siya agad naisip. Hindi siya perfect, pero it's giving naman. Medyo makapal nga lang yung mga pages. So, I just finished editing a vlog and I think I deserve this. And it's my first time. Actually, my first time eating Magnum. Classic Belgian chocolate Magnum ice cream. And I'm gonna taste it. Thanks, Mom. Oh, the chocolate is thick. As nakalagay dito. Thick, cracking chocolate. Ooh. It's rich in flavor. You can really differentiate from other brands out there. It's good. Tatamad ako mag-aral! Sorry, te, pero bakit pagkatutulog fresh? Ganyan ba yung nagde-debut? Ganyan matulog ang Disney princess after mag-exam, guys. Haircut review! Ako talaga ate. Parang yung santang ni Gusto. For happy mind, happy heart, happy soul. Just cookies and cream. This is our last video for this.
Sorry guys, ang pangit ko today.
Nila.
Wait lang, ingat.
Hala, hindi malamig. Pero okay lang, thank you. Okay.
They're so cute. They're wearing stripes for Is that like a sign of good luck for this last?
What?
Ang reflection for this sem. Sobrang pretty niya, pasang ka.
Well, wala. So tiring but so fulfilling.
Yes. From the top of your head, ano maaalala mo?
From the actually, alala ko na lang talaga yung Cebu.
Okay, Cebu is the highlight of this
Yes.
Yung hairline ko sobrang tumaas this sem. I love this sem. It's a mix of ups and downs, but so glad we're over it.
Yay! Look forward nyo din yung podcast namin.
Yes, please. Doon yung makikita yung most vulnerable state namin lahat.
Yes. And I hope tanggap nyo pa rin kami pag nakita nyo.
No, oh my gosh, makikita nila ako ata ang pinakaunang lumuha doon talaga. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Memorable. Siguro nung nag-cafe tayo, te.
Ay, we.
Nung gabi, te.
Ay, we.
Na-touch ako, te. King ano mo pa ako, te. Indiretso niya ako sa bahay. Te, paano mo si Mita?
Ang touching moment ko ay nung sinabi ni Donnie lahat sa akin, isiniwalat niya lahat sa akin, naka-move on ako guys. In just one night.
We.
Ang ganda ng awin, te. Si Kiana.
Kala ko, klase na natin eh.
Ako yan! Ikaw naman.
Ang ganda! Tumodong!
Guys, ang galing-galing ng ka-group ko guys. Thank you so much.
Junior year done. Senior na tayo.
Guys, last day. Sir, gusto niyo ng exposure sa vlog? We're finally done.
Are we?
For a second, naisip ako maglalabas dahil at ang ipad at mag-aaral.
Ibig sabihin, araw-araw ka lang ulit.
Huling punta ko dito guys, nag-aaral ako ng DDM. Top 3 prediction ng mag-aaway sa Cebu.
Kami Cebu. Our Cebu trip. For my Cebu. Cebu! Cebu.
Wait lang, sa loob na tayo. Kami natutuko.
Cebu! Ano? Tara!
2 cups steaming in the midnight haze. Silent whispers in
Seaside.
Go!
smiles dancing like a sweet ballet.
Ako yung isang bida-bida sa vlog niyo.
Temple of Leia. Ano? Tara?
Footsteps echo soft and slow.